Good morning, everyone. It is cool enough I thought I'd get out and do some metal detecting. So I'm at a city park. Been here several times. This park's got 5 baseball fields and some playground equipment. Of course, spectator parking area and stuff. Let's see what we can find. Got us a good signal here. Looks like it's going to be a penny. Right here's where we zeroed it. There it is. This could be another penny, this could be a dime. Looks like it's a little bit deeper, about 8 inches. Right here. It is a dime. Looks like a quarter. Real shallow, should be able to pick it up with a pin pointer. Oh, looky there. All right. Looks like another penny. I'm gonna guess it to be right in here. No, right there. There it is. There's another penny. There's an interesting signal. Showing 4 inches deep. And I'm going to figure it's a pull tab or just a piece of aluminum can. Or maybe a gum wrapper. We got us another penny down here somewhere. There it is. Dime. Okay, we're at the concession building now. And looks like we might have found a quarter. Should be right there. Oh, did I see it? Look at that. Crusty old quarter. I didn't see it till after I swung, but I can see what it is there. Little pocket car. So he's been run over or stepped on. I don't think it's Hot Wheels. It might be Matchbox. Still an awesome, cool find. Looks like we may have us another quarter. Maybe not. Maybe so. Yep. And there it is. So I found some Nerf discs. Put them up here where the lawnmower won't run over them. Whatever kid lost them will probably be back playing. Here's an old cicada shell. I'm going to try to play a trick on somebody here. There we go. Wonder what they'll think. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow that off. I've only been out here a little over an hour this morning, but I've had a really good hunt, and now it's time to get ready to go to church. Let's take a look at what I found. Let's start with the usual trash. Believe it or not, I've only found one pull tab this morning, and I know that the sodas they sell now over here are in cans. A lot of aluminum, one hair keeper, and a body spray can, hairspray. It says hairspray on it. Anyway, a little aerosol can. It's got a hole in the side, so it's already been punctured. I found 5 quarters, 4 dimes, 5 pennies, and a nickel. My favorite find of the day, however, is this truck. I was looking on the bottom to see if it said Matchbox or Hot Wheels. I did notice on the side it says Tonka. I'm pretty partial to Tonka myself. I'm going to keep it unless somebody says that it's theirs, and I'll gladly give it back to them. I do collect pocket cars. Tonka's my favorite.